Okay, so this is the bike that I built with the kit on eBay. That was $150. So we didn't really follow the instructions because obviously this isn't a plain bicycle. Mom, that's a shooting basket. So what we did was we put this plate and connected it to the other side with welding, and then this nut connects right into there. We bolted on. These are all our own plates because of the size of the bike. We put that in. There's a plate going through this to hook onto here. There's one under there. You can see that's a block right here, a block to keep it up, and then this to keep the chain right here to keep the chain. And that it was kind of tough to make sure the chain doesn't hit this. The first time I got it started, we only had this and the one back there and here, right here, and that didn't really work, and it motor shifted. But good thing it shifted then, because we had to start over, but it's dangerous. So this is just easy bolt on. You could adjust, where is it? Yeah, right here. You can adjust that by twisting it, which that does the RPMs when it's stalling. And then there's just primer. There's on this side, here's the exhaust. It came with a small pipe about the size of, I think this is actually it, down to here. And then you can see that we welded on that all the way to here. We had to put that sprocket on, obviously, because it's not on that side. This used to be a bicycle, so there's the old sprocket right here. We took off the pedals because it was hard to, oh yeah, because they hit the floor when you ride. What else is there? Oh yeah, this right here we put on a plate, and this was made and welded together by my pops. This is all done pretty much by my pops. So, alright, so some problems are, it's a pain in the butt to start up because I don't have a pull start, and the throttle connects to this wire I'm moving right here, and if that moves, it makes the throttle, it pulls on the throttle, which it's pretty dangerous sometimes. It's pretty wobbly too because it's a bicycle. So let's start it up. Let's go.